Meaning of en passant.
En passant.
En passant.
En passant.
En passant. En passant is a chess move that allows a pawn to capture an opponent's pawn that has just advanced 2 squares from its starting position as if the opposing pawn had only moved 1 square. The capturing pawn moves diagonally to the square where the opposing pawn would have landed if it had only advanced 1 square, and then the captured pawn is removed from the board. This move can only be made on the immediately following turn after the opposing pawn made the 2-square advance. It is a specialized move meant to prevent pawns from making unprotected double moves.